Hi and welcome to Canadian Window and Door Report. This month, coronavirus has started to take its toll on industry events. Skip Maclean is the new Vice President of Sales for TruTech Doors, and Heritage Renovations has opened Ontario's largest window and door showroom. More on those in a moment. First, Canadian Window and Door Report is brought to you by Fenestration Conversations, Canada's podcast for the window and door industry. In our latest episode, we talked to Al Duick, owner of Duxton Windows and Doors, about his strategies for finding and retaining great workers. Check out fenestrationreview.com or your favorite podcasting service to subscribe. Now for our top story. The coronavirus pandemic has started to disrupt events in our industry. Fenestration Manitoba has cancelled its FenCon conference in Winnipeg that was scheduled for May of this year. Organizer Al Duick says some of the content may be offered in smaller sessions throughout the year. And the world's biggest window and door show, Fensterbau in Germany, has been postponed to June 16. Keep your eye on Fenestration Review and our Twitter feed for more updates as they happen. Next, TruTech Doors has promoted Skip Maclean to Vice President of Canadian Sales. A former president of Fenestration Canada and recent recipient of the CP Lowen Award, Maclean will oversee TruTech's customer service department in addition to leading the sales team. You can hear a great conversation with Maclean on the Fenestration in Canada podcast, available at fenestrationreview.com and on the major podcasting services. Finally, Heritage Renovations has opened a new 25,000 square foot facility in London, Ontario, featuring one of the largest window and door showrooms in the province. Owners James Baker and Shannon Ruffle welcomed visitors to an open house in February. Heritage sells and installs Gentech, Northstar, LaFlamme, Dashwood, and Pella windows, as well as entry garden Therma-Tru doors and Mirage screen systems. That's all for this month. For more on these and other stories, visit fenestrationreview.com or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to Fenestration Conversations on your favorite podcasting service. See you next time.